Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Moksha. Good evening, Satishri. Good evening, Abhinav.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, so. Good evening, Dharya.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening, Kashvi. Good evening, Sumo.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening, Aryan.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, beta. Good evening, Bhavna. Good evening, Pranya. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening.
And today are we gonna do revision of trigonometry?
Revision of trigonometry.
Come on, revision or trigonometry.
Revision of.
Come on, revision or trigonometry.
Okay. You are asking revision or.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you people can tell only.
Ma'am, that one class trigonometry, one class.
Yes.
Revision.
And on Friday, what we did?
Trigonometry,
Trigo, I
ma'am.
guess.
Trigonometry.
Yes. So today we will do revision of linear equation in two variable. Okay.
You know, sure.
Fine, beta. Linear equation in two variables.
Okay, ma'am.
Or if you are having doubt in polynomials, you can ask me.
Ma'am, I was doing this revision worksheet they gave me in school. I
Yes.
had a doubt and few questions, ma'am.
In which questions?
I'm like in polynomials they gave this question like if x plus k is like the highest common factor of x square minus 2x minus 15 and x cube plus 27, then find the value of k.
Let me open that worksheet. Just wait. Tell me which question is this?
No, ma'am, from my school, ma'am.
Okay. From your school. Okay, just wait. Let's join others also for 1 or 2 minutes. Then you can just tell me the question. Okay.
Okay, ma'am, sure.
So, ma'am, what are we going to do today? Revision or?
Continue.
Revision. Okay.
Revision on which chapter?
Pranya is asking few doubts and we will proceed to linear equation in two variable. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
She's having doubt from polynomial chapter. Yes, Pranya. Speak, beta.
Okay, ma'am, I'll read the question. If x plus k,
X plus
k,
A.
no ma'am, k,
K. Okay. X plus K
is the highest common factor, HCF, of x square minus 2x minus 15
X square minus 2X
minus 15
minus 15. Yes.
and x cube plus 27,
X cube plus 27.
then find the value of k.
Then find the value of K. So you have given that X plus K is the highest common factor of x square minus 2x minus 50. So, any idea, children?
Ma'am, first we can find the other factor, ma'am. Like first factorize the x square minus 2x minus 15.
What, beta?
No, ma'am. No.
Abhinav?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have no
Moksha?
idea.
Yes, beta.
I have no idea.
Moksha?
No idea, ma'am.
Ma'am, first we can factorize that, ma'am. X square minus 2x minus 15. And then get the factors, ma'am. Then for the same thing we can do for x cube plus 27. Which will give
Okay.
x cube plus 3 cube.
Okay. So, see. You have given that x plus k is HCF. What do you mean by HCF? It means it's the factor,
Yes, ma'am.
right? Is the factor of x square minus 2x minus 15, right, beta? So, if it is a factor, it means it will be completely divided it. Yes, children, it will completely divide, na?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So, you can write so you will write x plus k will be equal to 0, then value of x will be minus k, right?
Yes,
And then x is a 0 of this polynomial, ma'am.
Yes, now it is a factor of this. So suppose if I'm saying that 2 is the factor or 2 is the HCF, highest common factor of 6, I can say. So what do you mean by this? It means 2 divides 6 completely, beta. So remainder will be 0, na? Tell me, beta,
Yes,
am I
ma'am.
correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So what can I write here?
Ma'am, minus k square minus 2 into minus k minus 15. Then k square minus, sorry,
See.
plus 2k minus
See.
15.
X square minus 2x minus 15 is there and x cube plus 27 is there, right? So first of all, we will find the factors of it. So multiply 15 ones are 15. Make the factors beta of 15 to get 2. So it will be 3 5s are 15. Speak, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you will write x square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15. Now you will be taking x common, then x minus 5, then plus 3 common, x minus 5. Then your factors are x plus 3 and x minus 5. Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. After that, now we will make the factors of this x cube plus 27. So you can write x cube plus 3 whole cube, right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
So it will be, now you will apply the identity a cube plus b cube, which is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So now put here x plus 3 into a square minus ab. So minus 3x plus b square 9. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So now if you will observe that the common factor is x plus 3 or not? See in
Yes,
both the,
ma'am.
if you are
Yes,
writing
ma'am.
like this, x square minus 2x minus 15 is equal to x plus 3 and x minus 5. And here x cube plus 27 is equal to x plus 3 and x square minus 3x plus 9. Right, beta? So this can't be factorized because it does not contain real roots. So the common factor is in both the, so HCF is x plus 3 now. Am I correct? Now you have given HCF as x plus 3. X plus 3 is the HCF as it is given. Now compare both the HCFs. So x plus 3 will be equal to x plus k. Then value of x will, k will be beta 3. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? Bhavna, Dharya, Kashvi, Purya,
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan, Abhinav,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Moksha,
Yes, ma'am.
Sumok, Siddhishri.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Like, ma'am, can you explain it again?
Yes, beta see. What we have given the HCF of this is this. So HCF, what do you mean by HCF? This means highest common factor. So if you remember that while finding the HCF, you can just find their factors, right? Prime factorization method. Then you were circling the common factors, right, beta? So here we have make the factors of this and we have find the factors of x cube plus 27. Now we have equate the common factor. So that is x plus 3. Now in the question itself we have given that x plus 3 is the HCF. So on comparing both the factors, both the HCF, you have got the value of k as 3. Okay?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Abhinav,
Yes, ma'am.
understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please note this, children. Bhavna, have you understood, beta?
Ma'am, can you scroll up?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And children, again and again, I am asking this thing. Kindly send your classwork and homework as well on my personal window. You can take this thing as my order or my request. It's up to you. But you need to send. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, wait.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Yeah, beta. Children, turn on your cameras.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, beta. All have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. May I proceed to next question, children?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So now, Pranya, ask me your next doubt.
Ma'am, that's all, ma'am. I don't think I have any other doubts.
Yes, beta?
I don't think I have any other doubts, ma'am.
Okay. So now may I proceed to then linear equation in two variables?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. See. Now linear equation in two variables. Have you remembered in grade 9 you have studied this? In which one equation was there, linear equation in two variable. And the general form, or you can say standard form is what? Ax plus by plus c beta is equal to 0. Right?
Yes.
Now in grade 10, you will see pair of linear equations. Pair of linear equations. So you will get a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So this is your equation 1 and this is your equation 2. So in linear equation in two variable, we will learn that how we can identify the given pair of linear equations are parallel lines, or whether they are intersecting or they are coincident. Okay. So we are having three cases. Conditions we are having first is case 1, you can say when a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Okay. Then in this case, when the coefficients of x in both the equations are not equal, their ratios are not equal, then lines will be intersect. Intersecting means they will cut each other, they will meet each other at only one point. So there will be only unique solution. What do you mean by unique? Means one solution. Okay. Second, lines will be intersecting. And third is, if solution is there, then the system is said to be consistent. Okay? Aryan, what happened? Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now second case is, now when A1 upon A2 ratio is equal to B1 upon B2, but not equal to C1 upon C2, then lines will be parallel beta. So parallel line never intersect, it means no solution will be there, because we got the solution only when line intersect. So if lines are parallel, so there will be no solution. So lines will be parallel and no solution is there. So therefore system is inconsistent. Got it my point, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So now third case is when all ratios are equal. A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. When all ratios are equal. So when all ratios are equal, it means the point, suppose you have drawn one line, then the points of second line will also lies on the first line. Okay. So there will be infinitely many solutions, beta, because infinite many points can be lie on the line, right? So you will write infinitely many solutions. Second is lines will be coincident. And if solution is there, it means system will be consistent. Got it, children?
But in textbook, they said it's like something like consistent and dependent. Like, what does that mean?
Yes, dependent and independent, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Two things are there.
Ma'am, can you scroll down? Scroll down.
Written, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
One more thing, Pranya was saying about the word dependent and independent, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So Pranya, do you know independent and dependent, beta?
Ma'am, like in general or in this topic?
In this, in the terms of mathematics, in this chapter.
No, ma'am, that's what I didn't. I got confused between.
Okay, you are asking. I was saying that you are telling us. Okay, fine. See, intersecting dependent means and independent. Independent means when equation has exactly one solution. Has exactly one solution. Children, may I scroll down, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now see. Independent and dependent. So for independent, when equations has exactly one solution. Exactly one solution. So in which case exactly one solution?
Intersecting.
Intersecting.
Yes, ma'am.
So these lines are said to be independent equation also. And for dependent has infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Okay, beta? And this for parallel. Right, beta? Last one. When A1 upon A2 is equal, second one, sorry. When, not last one, B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 by C2. In case of coincident line. Understood? About the dependent and independent.
Yes, ma'am.
Because in exam, it can be asked that write the equation, another equation which shows dependent equation of this equation. Okay. So children, may I proceed to next beta if you all have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now, firstly, I will explain these cases only. Now, if I will ask you that check whether the following equations are parallel, okay, or coincident or intersecting. Just check this thing. So equations are 3x minus 2y is equal to 4 and 2x plus y is equal to 5. So how you will check, children?
Ma'am, we can 3x minus 2y equal minus 4 equal to 0, ma'am.
Yes, first of all, you will write these equations in the standard form.
Yes, ma'am. And then 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0.
Okay.
Then
So you will write in standard form. So in standard form, you can write 3x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 2x plus y minus 5. And children, don't forget to write each and every step. So you will write in standard form. Then after that, you will mark them equation 1 and equation 2. Now, you will write comparing above equations with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 or a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Right, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Now your next step will be that you people will write the values of a1, b1, c1 and then a2, b2, c2. Now, take first equation then. Now here coefficient of x is a1 beta and in first coefficient of x is 3. So therefore value of a1 will be 3. Right? In the same way, where coefficient of y is b1 and coefficient of y is here minus 2. So you will write b1 is equal to minus 2. Then plus c1. So c1 will be equal to minus. Clear? Now again take second equation. So value of a2 will be 2. B2 will be 4 and C2 will be minus. Now our next step will be that you will find the ratios. So find A1 upon A2. 3 by 2 beta. Then find B1 upon B2. It will be minus 2 by 4. C1 upon C2 minus 4 by 5. Right? So
Yes,
now
ma'am.
just tell me children where they are equal.
A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2.
Yes. So as A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. So therefore, lines are,
Intersecting.
yes, lines are intersecting. And second is, they have unique solution. And third is, system is consistent.
Consistent.
Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
All have understood this, Vida?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am. No.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, sometimes in your exams, it can be asked that, children, may I proceed to next question, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Scroll up, ma'am, writing.
Okay, okay. Aarti.
Ma'am, for 1 mark question also we have to write this much.
Yes, beta? Kashvi?
1 mark, if they ask this for 1 mark question, we have to write all these steps.
In 1 mark, MCQs will be there. Okay. So you can just show the ratios. Okay, beta? A1 by A2, then B1 by B2, C1 by C2. Clear?
Ma'am, for MCQs and boards, we don't have to give our rough paper also, no, ma'am.
Beta, in MCQs also, you need to show your answer. Not the whole answer, but calculation you can show. Don't worry, I will show you the topper's paper also. Okay, beta?
Okay,
Of
ma'am.
this chapter question. So how you have to solve the paper?
Ma'am, because from last year, last exam, no, ma'am, they began to even take our rough paper calculations also.
They have taken?
The calculation paper, ma'am. Like on
Yes, beta, always. They used to take.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, children? Kindly show me a thumbs up.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay, Aarti.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, till when is this class?
Yes, beta?
Ma'am, when does this class end?
At 8 o'clock. That's why I'm saying just write it down fast. So that
Yeah.
I can explain one more question.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay. Now next question, children, see. In your exam, it can be asked that find the value of k. Find the value of k. If the equations have infinitely many solutions. Now they have given the condition, infinitely many solutions. So they have the condition, they have given the condition. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. Second equation is k plus 2 into x plus 6y is equal to 3k plus 2. Okay, beta? So now you have given this infinitely many solution. This type of question will come in your 1 mark MCQ. 100% you will see in your exam. See, in shortcut, I am going to tell you 2x plus 3y minus 4 you will write beta equal to 0. Then second equation you will write k plus 2 into x plus 6y minus 3k plus 2 is equal to 0. Right beta? Speak children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So now value of A1, B1, C1, right? A1 is 2, B1 is 3, C1 is equal to minus 4. Then A2 will be K plus 2, C2 will be 6, B2 will be 6 and C2 will be minus 3K plus 2. Now for infinitely many solution, what is the condition? A1 by B2, A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2 all will be equal.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am. What?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Oh, yes,
2
ma'am.
upon k plus 2, see, 2 upon k plus 2, 3 by 6 is equal to minus 4 upon minus 3k plus 2. So minus minus c children. Now here is 1 by 2. It is 1 by 2. It means this ratio should also equal to 1 by 2. Clear? So
Yes,
by
ma'am.
hit and trial also you can do. If you are here in numerator it is 2. Then in numerator it is 2 and in denominator k plus 2. So we want 1 in the numerator. So it means it will be multiple of 2 na. So 4, 2 by 4. So it means value of k will be 2. Right, Peter?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So in MCQs you can use the hit and trial method. Okay. Or see 2 upon k plus 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Just cross multiply. 4 is equal to k plus 2. Then value of k will be clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So while doing the MCQs, no need to write the standard form, no need to write these values A1, B1, C1. Just you know that these are in the form of A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0. Just write their sections, okay? So children, I guess tomorrow also we have to continue this only.
Okay, ma'am.
Right,
Okay,
beta?
ma'am.
So because there are methods also, elimination method and substitution method. Please note this.
Ma'am, after trigonometry, what chapter will you start?
Am I audible, children?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Screen is visible? So tomorrow we will continue with this chapter only, okay? And today I
Ma'am,
will share the one worksheet. Yes, beta?
nothing, ma'am. Continue.
Okay.
Ma'am,
And today I will share one worksheet based on this linear equation, okay?
ma'am, also like after trigonometry, which chapter will we start?
Next is chapter 9, application of trigonometry, because both are related to each other, na?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, are we done with triangles?
No,
Ma'am,
we
can
have
I
not
leave?
done. We will do.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can
You
I
want
leave?
to leave?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, Abhinav. Those who have written, they can leave, beta.
Thank you,
Aryan,
ma'am.
thank you,
Bye
ma'am.
now.
Thank you,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
for 2 minutes.
Okay.
Bye-bye,
Thank you, ma'am.
beta. Bye-bye. Bye, beta.
Bye,
Puriya
ma'am.
and Bhavna,
Bye, ma'am.
have you understood, beta, what we have done? Bye, beta. Dharya,
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
understood, beta? Okay, beta,
Yeah.
bye. Meher, have you understood, beta? Am I audible? Meher Siddhishri? Huria? Huria, kindly respond, beta. Have you understood? Huria, am I audible, beta? Aryan, kindly send your classwork as well as homework on my personal window.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Ma'am, that
Because I
trigonometry now.
want to see your questions. I want to see your method, how you are doing. Yes, beta?
Ma'am, that which homework, ma'am?
Yes, Aryan, speak.
Ma'am, which homework, ma'am? Today's homework.
Class homework only, beta.
Today's homework, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. I'll send the classwork,
And
ma'am.
beta, yes, beta. Yes. Yesterday also.
Okay, ma'am. Yesterday's and today's I'll share.
Okay?
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
make this habit. Okay, to send your homework so that I can check your homework and I will get to know that where you are doing mistake. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And please, beta, write each and every step. Suppose if you are supposing anything, okay, you are assuming anything, just mention that thing. Let this be the this. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Aryan?
Yes, ma'am.
Because you are having your PT now on 22nd July.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So please work hard, beta, and
Yes, ma'am.
do whatever I'm asking to do or whatever your teacher is asking to do. Okay, your school teacher.
Sure, ma'am.
Only then you will get good marks. Okay, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? So make this habit. Just send your classwork as well as homework. Okay, Aryan?
And ma'am, one doubt, ma'am. Ma'am, time management, ma'am. Ma'am, like,
Bye-bye, beta. And if you are having any doubt, you can ask me.
ma'am, one question.
Yes.
Ma'am, like, the graphs, ma'am, they are asked for that scale, ma'am. What should I write, ma'am? Ma'am, for graphs, ma'am, in linear equation, they asked for scale, ma'am. What should I write there, ma'am?
Your voice breaking, Aryan. And your voice is breaking. You can send on chat, beta. Okay, Aryan, I'm going to speak up, okay? Because your voice is breaking. I'm not able to. Aryan,
Ma'am, I have put in chat, ma'am.